Now let us discuss problems of straight line. First example is find equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercept on the axis whose sum is 9. Now let us discuss solution. First we discuss method how to solve the problem. Say we have given intercept. Find the equation of line passing through the points 2, 2 and cutting off intercept on the axis whose sum is 9. So naturally whenever intercepts are given, we have to use intercept form of the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now to get equation of line, unknowns are a and b. If we consider two unknowns, then to find values of two unknowns, there must be two equations to solve two unknowns. But we have given sum is 9, sum of the intercept. So a plus b equal to 9 is given. So we have one equation containing two unknowns. Now we have to get second equation. Since this line passing through point 2, 2, this line passing through point 2, 2. So line passing through point, that means points lies on the line, so its coordinates will satisfy the equation. So if we put x equal to 2, then 2 by a plus 2 by b equal to 1. Now you can observe two unknowns and two equations. Two unknowns, two equations. So we will solve this equation to find a and b, and once we find values for a and b, we will put it into the intercept form, so we will get required equation of the line. So this is the method to solve the problem. Again, intercepts are given, so we have used intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. A and b are unknown. A is x intercept, b is y intercept. Now since we have given sum is 9, so a plus b equal to 9, that is our one equation. And since line passing through 2, 2, so its coordinates will satisfy this equation. So another equation 2 by a plus 2 by b equal to 1. Two unknowns, two equations, so we will solve it for a and b, and once we get a and b, substituting in the intercept form, we will get required equation. So equation of line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Say equation 1. Now here we will find unknowns a and b. We have given a plus b equal to 9. Sum of the intercept is 9. Since point 2, 2 lies on the line, therefore its coordinates will satisfy the equation 2 by a 2 by b equal to 1. Now from equation 2 we have b equal to 9 minus a. We will substitute it for here. Therefore 2 by a plus 2 by b equal to 9 minus a. 9 minus a equal to 1. We give reason b equal to 9 minus a. Now let us solve this equation. Taking cross multiplication, 18 minus 2a plus 2a equal to a into 9 minus a. Again we simplify. So 18 equal to minus a square plus 9a. This is quadratic equation. Again transfer these two terms. So a square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. So a square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. This can be factorized easily. A square minus 6a minus 3a plus 18 equal to 0. So we take a common. So a minus 6. We take minus 3 common. So a minus 6 equal to 0. So one can factorize as a minus 6, a minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 6 or a equal to 3. So these are the possible values of a, and then we will find corresponding values for b. Case 1, a equal to 6, then b equal to 9 minus a. So 9 minus 6, that is 3, and therefore equation of line is x by a is 6, y by b is 3, equal to 1. So if a equal to 6, then b equal to 3. So equation is, and further simplification is also possible, or by taking LCM x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. If we take LCM, then alternate form is this one. Now case 2, x equal to 3, a equal to 3, then b equal to 9 minus a. So 9 minus 3, and therefore b equal to 6, and therefore equation of line is x by a is 3, y by b is 6, equal to 1. Now we can simplify by taking LCM. Therefore, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 by taking LCM. So, these are the two required equations. Next example. Second example. Find equation of the line through the point through the point 0, 2 0, 2 making an angle two pi by 3 with the positive x-axis Also find the equation of line parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. Solution. So first we will discuss method how to solve this problem. First question is find the equation of line through the point. So you can observe point is given. And makes an angle 2 pi by 3 with positive direction of x-axis. So using this angle 2 pi by 3 with positive x-axis, we can find slope. Why? Because if line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis, then slope is given by tan theta. So here slope will be tan 2 pi by 3. So slope is there, point is there, and we will use point slope form. Point slope form we are familiar with. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Point is x1 comma y1, which is given 0, 2, and slope is m equal to tan 2 pi by 3. So this is tan pi minus pi by 3. So because of pi, function will remain unchanged. Tan pi by 3, tan pi minus second quadrant, tan is negative, so slope will be minus root 3. So slope is there, point is there, and using point slope form we will get required equation. Now second question is this one. Also find the equation of line parallel to it. Now we know two lines L1 and L2 are parallel if and only if slopes are equal. So if any line parallel to given one, then its slope will be also minus root 3. And for second question, line crossing the y-axis at a distance 2 units below the origin. So line passing through 0 comma minus 2 below the origin, so y coordinates will be negative. So for second question, this will be the point and slope will remain same. Slope will remain same because line is parallel to it, and we know two lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. So for second equation, point will be 0 comma minus 2 and slope will be minus root 3, and again we will use point slope form. So let us solve problem using this method. So solution, here point x1 comma y1 equal to 0 comma 2. Slope m equal to tan 2 pi by 3 as we have discussed earlier, and therefore equation of line using point slope form y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So y minus 2, slope is minus root 3, x minus 0, and if we simplify this one, y minus 2 equal to minus root 3x, transferring this term, so root 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is required line. Now second line is parallel to this one. Therefore its slope m equal to minus root 3, because L1 parallel to L2 double implies m1 equal to m2. We have used this basic. Since line intersect y-axis at 0 comma minus 2, so equation is, so now you can observe this is point, this is slope. So equation is using point slope form y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So using this point slope form, y plus 2 minus root 3 x minus 0, and further simplification will give root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the required equation. Now you observe that these two lines are parallel, and if two lines are parallel, then only constant term is different. So you can note that in these two equations, since two lines are parallel, so only constant term, here plus 2 and here minus 2, so only constant term is different. Next example, the perpendicular from the origin to a line, the perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at the point minus 2 comma 9. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Solution. Question is, the perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at the point minus 2 comma 9. Find the equation of line. So see this thing. Suppose we denote origin by O0 comma 0. This is the origin, O0 comma 0. Now perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at the point. If we draw perpendicular, say foot of perpendicular M minus 2 comma 9. Perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at the point minus 2 comma 9. Find the equation of line. So if we denote this line PQ, suppose say P and Q, this is the line on which we have taken foot of perpendicular from the origin. Now we have to find equation of this line. This is the question. So question is, we have to find equation of line PQ. Now first we will find slope of OM, line segment OM, using the definition y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Using slope of OM, we can get slope of line PQ because two lines are mutually perpendicular if and only if M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. Say one line having slope 2, then any line perpendicular to it will possess slope minus 1 by 2 because M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. So slope of OM, using the definition 9 minus 0 minus 2 minus 0, so this is minus 9 by 2, line PQ perpendicular to OM, therefore slope of PQ, it will be 2 by 9. Reason: two lines are mutually perpendicular if and only if product of their slope must be -1. So you can observe here -9 by 2 into 2 by 9, product will be -1. So we give reason m1 into m2 equal to minus. So this is slope, slope we have obtained. Point is foot of perpendicular, so point is also given. So equation of line PQ, therefore equation of line PQ is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 using point slope form. So y minus y1, point is x1 comma y1 minus 2 comma 9, y minus 9 equal to 2 by 9 into x minus minus plus, because x1 is minus. So now let us simplify this one. So 9y, this is 9, minus 81 equal to 2x plus 4, and we transfer these two terms. So further simplification will give 2x minus 9y and 81 plus 4, that is 85 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line. So it is very easy. First, M is foot of perpendicular. M is foot of perpendicular. So first find out slope of OM. Using slope of OM, find out slope of PQ. And since M is foot of perpendicular, lies on the same line, so point is there, slope we have obtained. Using point slope form, we have obtained equation of line PQ. Next example, the length L capital L in centimeter of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature, C, in an experiment if L equal to 124.942, this length centimeter, 124.942, when C equal to 20, C it is temperature in Celsius, and L equal to 125.134, when C equal to 110. Express L capital L in terms of C. L in terms of C Celsius. Say in the case of order pair x comma y, linear relation is y equal to mx plus c, or you can also consider x equal to say my plus b, etc. This is linear means power 1. These are the linear relation between y and x or x and y. So this is nothing but equation of line. So using this, we will consider value of L as y coordinates, because here if x is 1 find out y, x is 2 find out y. So this we will consider as x coordinates and this we will consider as y coordinates for 2 points. And once we get equation of line is nothing but it is linear in two variables. So linear in two variables, say ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So that represents a straight line. So here temperature we will consider x coordinates, length we will consider y coordinates. You can also interchange coordinates, but in that form you will get linear relation. Answer may be different, but definitely you will get linear relation. So here we have taken Celsius temperature as x coordinate, length as y coordinates, and 2 points we will consider coordinates of 2 points, and then we will find equation of line that will give linear relation between L and C. So now solution. So given L equal to 124.942 when C equal to 20, and L equal to 125.134 when C equal to 110. So as we have discussed earlier, we will consider this one as x coordinate, this one as y coordinate, and we will form a point, and therefore 2 points A 20 comma 124.942 and B. You can interchange the coordinates, but in that case linear relation will be different, but we can get linear relation. And x coordinate 110, y coordinate 125.134. So this one x1, y1, this is x2, y2. To get linear relation we will use 2 points form. So required equation linear relation using 2 points form. Using 2 points form y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. So y minus upon y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. So now you can simplify this one. Therefore, here we have consider coordinates of a definite L. So this will be L and this will be C. So here we will put slight change. In place of x and y, we will use L and C. L and C, or you can take L1 C1 L2 C2 as coordinates and you can use 2 points form. So now you can simplify this one, and simplified form it will be L equal to, just you can use calculator to simplify this one. You will get a linear relation L equal to 0.192 upon 90, this you can, into bracket C minus 20, and when we transfer this term plus 124.942. Simplification of this one will give required linear relation, will give required. So from the data we have considered 2 points, and to get linear relation we have used 2 points form. Next example. Fifth one, PA comma B point PA comma B is the midpoint of a line segment PA comma B is the midpoint of a line segment between axes so that the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This we have to prove. So let us discuss solution. First we discuss method to solve this one. You note that we have given check this figure. This is x-axis, y-axis. Now P A comma B is the midpoint of a line segment. Suppose line intersect x-axis into AH comma 0 and B 0 comma K. Then P A comma B is midpoint of line segment AB. So this is the midpoint P A comma B, and for this equation we have to prove its equation is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. If we denote this L, then we have to show that equation of L is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. You can observe line intersecting x-axis into the point A. We have suppose AH comma 0, y-axis into the point B 0 comma K we have supposed, and P A comma B is midpoint of the line segment. First you note that it is clear that H is the x-intercept, K is the y-intercept. So equation of L always it will be of the form x by A, sorry, here we have to put correction, we have to prove 2 not 1 but x by A plus y, but here we will use intercept form because H is x-intercept, K is y-intercept. So equation we will suppose x by A plus y by B equal to 1, which is our standard intercept form, and using midpoint we will show that required equation is x by A plus y by B equal to 2. So now let us discuss solution. Suppose line intersect x-axis at A H comma 0 and y-axis at B 0 comma K. Let P A comma B be the midpoint of line segment AB. So coordinates of A comma B, coordinates of midpoints of A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 are given by x1 plus x2 by 2 comma, so x1 plus x2 by 2 that is h by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 that is k by 2. So when we compare x coordinate, A equal to h by 2 and therefore h equal to 2a, b equal to k by 2. If we compare y coordinates, so k equal to 2b. So h equal to 2a, y equal to 2b. Now h and k are intercepts, therefore equation of line AB, x intercept is h, this is our x intercept, this is our y intercept. So put A equal to h, y intercept B equal to k, and use standard form x by A plus y by B equal to 1. So x by h, because h is the x intercept, y by b that is k equal to 1. Here we have used intercept form x by A plus y by b equal to 1, but intercepts are h and k. Now put values for h and k. H equal to 2a. Now we use this value h equal to 2a, k equal to 2b, and therefore further simplification, multiplying throughout by 2, x by a, y by b equal to 2. This is the required equation. So not to confuse with original intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X intercept h, y intercept k. So it is x by h plus y by k equal to 1. And h comma k is midpoint. So h comma k equal to, we have 2a, 2b, as we have discussed here. H comma k equal to 2a, 2b. Put that values here, so we will get required equation. That's all. So next time we will discuss more examples.